Hey everyone, this is Brian Sharp with the Virginia Tech men's golf team, and welcome to the first Hokie Golf Classic virtual tournament. Today I wanted to share a couple tips about driving the golf ball that should help you have a better round. So there's two things that I want to mention today with the driver. The first is ball position. Most amateur players that I see have the ball too far back. It's more in the middle of their stance, and it creates, among other problems, where you cannot shift your weight. And a lot of you guys watching this will probably recognize this, where you get the ball more in the middle of your stance, you turn back, and then you've got to kind of keep your weight on the right side, and you wind up, finishing way back here. What you'd ideally like to do is get the ball with the driver more under your left shoulder. So when you set up, get it kind of in front of your left foot, and then just take a bigger step back with your right. That should get you in a pretty good position to where you can turn back and then you're able to shift your way through, going through. I'll show you a couple videos real quick of Mark Lawrence when we were down at the river course yesterday and what he does with his driver. So we can't all hit it as far as Mark Lawrence, must be nice, but one of the neat things when you watch him hit a driver is how much speed he generates at the ball. All of us want to hit the driver as hard and as far as we can, but a lot of people will try and generate that speed right from the start of the downswing and instead of letting it build as it goes. So the second thing that I want you to do with your driver is flip it around. Grip it up here near the club head, and then you can create this whoosh sound with the grip, but you want that to occur down near the ball, not as you're first starting down in the downswing. So it'll kind of sound like that, where you're just letting the most speed happen at the ball. So if you can get the ball position good, more up here underneath the left shoulder, that'll allow you to shift your weight, but then just stand here and let the speed build as you come down into the ball. So try those two tips, let us know how the round goes, and thank you so much for your support of Virginia Tech Athletics. Go Hokies!